Hello, my name is Caitlin Abrahamson and I am the GIS coordinator for Bros Engineering. In this video, I'd like to show you the web map located within your group page. In this instance, we're using Hockin County Bridge Inspections group page. When you scroll down on your overview of your group page, you'll notice that you have a web map. If you click on that, you'll view the item details. In this details page, you'll notice a couple options. You can open it up in ArcGIS Desktop, in ArcMap or ArcGIS Pro, if they're available to you. If not, just open it up in the map viewer. In this map viewer, you can't save any of the changes that you've made while you're in the map viewer, unless you have editing permissions. In this example, in the Hockin County Bridge Inspection web map, they're not able to save. If you are able to save, it should show up right here. You'll notice that you have a details and a base map option. The base map will allow you to switch what base map you use underneath your points. In this instance, I'll change it to topographic. In the About page, you'll notice that there's a summary that describes your data. The Content page will show you the layers that are represented in your map and some tabs underneath them. If you have multiple layers in your map, you'll have more than just these two layers. The first tab underneath your layers represents the legend, just showing what your points are representing. The second one is an attribute table. This shows all the data within your map. If you scroll across, you'll notice that you'll have hyperlinks that will take you to different pages of data, and you'll also see photos and files, which is an attachment that's downloadable. In this instance, it's bridge inspections, so you can download the bridge inspection report. In this option button, you'll see that you can show selected records, which is the record I'm selecting right here. You can center on that selection. You can clear the selection. You can show or hide the columns that you want to see or don't want to see. And you can filter based on the attribute information in your table. The third button is a symbology button. This will change the look of the points in your map. In this instance, we're using counts and amounts by color. If you click on the options page, you can change the color and how your data is arranged and represented. Of course, you can't save in this map, but if you could, you'd press OK and you'd save it up here. The fourth is a filter button, much like the one in the attribute table. This filters by attributes and can be changed. Fifth is a cluster. It just shows clustering of points if it applies to your map. In this instance, it doesn't really make sense. The last couple buttons are to zoom to certain points and to show the transparency. So if you want to make them more opaque or less opaque, you can do that here. The last tab is the Legend tab. This shows you how your data is represented. In this case, it's listed by sufficiency rating. The perimeter of the county is represented in a black outline. These few buttons up here give you some other options. The Share button will allow you to copy the link and share it with anybody you need to. The Print button can print you a map or a map with a legend. Make sure that you zoomed out before you print with the legend so that you get all of your data. It'll print out in PDF format. You go up to these options up here and select Print. The last is a Measure tool. This measure can measure area, length, or location by pressing these different buttons. You can change to degrees, you can change to kilometers, feet, miles, yards, whatever you'd like. And you can change by area, by square feet, hectares, acres, whatever you need. All you do is click on the map and measure in polygon, in area, or in length, and it will give you the measurement here. The last option is to find an address or a place. Since we're in Hockin County, I'll search for Philip. It'll zoom you to that place. And that's all that's located in the map. If you have any questions, please email me at caitlina@broseengineering.com. Thank you.